What HVAC model information should homeowners save? Homeowners should save the equipment brand, model number, serial number, installation date, fuel type, capacity, and important parts or warranty details. The model number identifies the exact heating or cooling equipment you own, while the serial number helps confirm its age, production date, and warranty status. Write down the information for every major unit, including the furnace, air conditioner, heat pump, boiler, water heater, and thermostat. Also record the cooling capacity, such as tons or British thermal units, because a replacement that is too large or too small may work poorly and waste energy. Save the manufacturer's name, the type of refrigerant, and the filter size, since these details help a technician bring the right supplies. Keep the installation date, installer's company, maintenance history, and any repair invoices in the same record. Take clear photographs of each equipment label because small letters and numbers are easy to copy incorrectly. A useful detail many homeowners miss is the indoor and outdoor units model information, since those parts must often be compatible with each other. Store paper copies near the equipment and digital copies in a phone folder or email account, so you can find them during an emergency or when requesting estimates. A common mistake is recording only the brand name, so photograph the entire data plate and include every letter, number, and symbol. Another mistake is assuming the serial number is the model number, so label each one separately in your notes. Homeowners also often forget to update their records after a major repair or replacement, so add the new equipment details and keep old information marked as retired. Do not guess the installation date from the serial number, because manufacturers use different code systems. Check the invoice or ask the installer instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.